Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python on Replit. First, navigate to Replit. Come and create a free account. This platform provides an integrated development environment, or IDE, right in your web browser. You can start coding Python immediately without any local software installations. It's perfect for beginners and experienced developers alike, offering a seamless way to practice and build projects. Once logged in, click Create REPL and choose Python from the language options. This sets up your project workspace. You'll see a file named main.py where you'll type your Python instructions. The console window on the right displays your program's output and allows for user input. This setup makes it incredibly easy to jump right into coding and see your results instantly. To master Python, consistently practice fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, control flow, and functions. Replit offers built-in tutorials and a vibrant community forum where you can find help and inspiration. Don't hesitate to experiment with various Python libraries like math or random to expand your skills. Regular coding is key to building a strong foundation and understanding how Python works. For advanced learning, leverage Replit's collaborative features to work on projects with friends or classmates. You can explore more complex topics, such as building web applications using frameworks like Flask or Django, directly within Replit. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your tech setup. Keep pushing your boundaries and building impressive Python projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.